Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove noise from your background in Windows 11, 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, right-click select Show Disabled Devices, also select Show Disconnected Devices. Select your microphone, click Properties. Click Listen tab, check Listen to this device, click Levels tab. Reduce microphone boost and maximum microphone volume. Click Advanced tab, change default format 1 by 1, select best one. If none of them worked, click Restore Defaults. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.